Okay guys, this is Sunamas again signing in YouTube. Today I want to show you another tutorial, Unomas tutorial, so let's start. As you can see, the title of my tutorial is Unomas tutorial, why ID master scanner, why Republica, why brutal style, so let's start, okay? My voice is very not today, so as you can see, it needs a serial number because this one is paid tools that has been cracked. So I just have to click OK for it to open. Activation key request, as you can see, and there it goes. It's okay. Now what you want to do is load the masters list, list of names of masters that you made. Okay. Here goes orders list. Then load some proxies. Okay, we must load some proxies. So there goes my proxy. Okay, from options, you may get some information servers, or you may load your servers in here. Okay, for me, I will load my servers. Okay, it says what? Servers. There it goes. There it goes. And you may click and get information scanner, IMD scanner. There it goes. And start cracking, and it will crack. Okay, a cracker is finished. Actually guys, I've already made just 16 IDs for now, because I've just already start just putting IDs in my notepad. So I've already put in 16 for you for this tutorial. So you may put in 100, 200, maybe 1,000 in your notepad. Rogers ID, Bell South ID, Ameritech, all net IDs, all at that net IDs, and scan it. If it's scanned, then use your cracker and crack the password of the legitimate masters or IDs, Rogers, Bell South, whatever. So this is Sunamas signing out in YouTube. As you can see, the result is 0. I don't crack anything. 16 IDs that I put in the notepad. So this is Sunamas signing out in YouTube, and hope guys you will subscribe my YouTube videos, and I do hope you like my YouTube videos, because I'm working hard for this one for you to get pleased, and I don't please maybe one or two, and then same goes, I cannot please everybody. So this is Sunamas signing out in YouTube, and sayonara guys. Bye YouTube.